Welcome to NoticeWare Reporter, how-to video episode 13. This video is going to show you how to use the power of NoticeWare Reporter to actually perform an inspection. So when you've opened the software and you've opened a template and you've started a new report, this is the first screen you're going to see is the report details. So click on the report details screen and you can see that it's got a report number and the date, the start time and end time, and you can just hit the now button if you need to update, and you can hit now when you're done and it'll register the correct time. You can type in the address of the property you're inspecting, city, state, information about the property, as well as you can add some contact notes down at the bottom. Now these notes that you put in down here are personal notes, so they won't be included in the report. Now say you want to put a cover picture on your report, you simply click on the picture icon, and I'm just going to grab a picture here and put it in. And you can see it shows up. I can edit this report and draw on it just like I can, and you can watch one of our other tutorials on how to do that. If you go through our video tutorials, it shows you how to edit a picture. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to go into the client details, and this is where you're going to enter the name of the client, and you're going to enter his address and personal information, etc. And then we go into the general scope. This just shows you the general scope. Now these are taken from essentially from InterNACHI, ACHI. They're fairly similar scope and limitations and conditions of the report, but you should go through these and make sure that they match what it is, your scope and limitations based on the association that you belong to, and make sure that all the information is correct. If you want to edit this, you just click on it and it brings up an edit box and you can make changes, cut and paste in the information that you need to put in there. The building data and weather conditions. This is our first section, and we can have a header and a footer in here if we want. The building data, ignore all. So we have the approximate age of the building, and you can say it's 1 to 5 years old, and the style is a single family, and the main entrance faces north, and the occupancy status is owner occupied. And that's as simple as it gets. If you want to add a custom comment to a field, you simply click on the custom comment and you can type in whatever you want in there. Or if you've got comments in your comment library, you can drag and drop them and put them in. Or that's pretty much it. And if you want to put a picture into your report, it's the same thing. You hit on the tab, you click on the picture you want to insert, and you can do multiple pictures at a time if you want. So if you want to put in more than one picture, you can go in and just select numerous pictures and drop them in. And there we go. As you can see, it's showing me the comments here and the thumbnails of the photos, so I can see that there are photos attached. If I want to go back to an item, because let's say I want to take a picture of it later and I'm not doing it yet, I can flag the item. I'm sorry, it's going to give me a spelling error, but I can flag the item and see how it's now flagged. And I can also select an item to add it to the summary page by clicking over here. The next thing I can do is, after I've completed inspecting everything and I want to see what items are flagged, as you can see, I can go into report flagged items, and now I have a tab here for my flagged items. There's my report tab if I want to go back to that. It's my flagged items tab, and it shows me what I had flagged. I can also bring up the summary items, and I can see what I've added to the summary items, and I can deselect them at this point if I wanted to, so they wouldn't be in there anymore. So now that I'm completed that, the last thing I would need to do is simply to click on PDF, and it's telling me I'm using the trial mode, which is fine, and it warns me that I have flagged items, and I save the report, and it's building me my PDF report that I can give to my client despite the fact I haven't completed everything at this point. So there we go, and there's your inspection report. So it's really that simple to perform your inspection using NoticeWare Reporter. Don't forget to watch all of our other videos so you can see how to insert pictures and edit them and use the power of the helpful hints in the comment library further. Visit NoticeWareReporter.com to find out more or to purchase your license key, and remember that NoticeWare gets you noticed. Thanks for watching.